I won't lie, I've never used this blender before. I'm not even sure I've ever used a blender.
Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Put your hands together. Jump. 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 Jump.
This is my sister, for those who don't know. This is Annabelle. You want to share some things about you?
No.
You don't want to share anything about you? Can I ask you like a couple questions?
Yeah.
Question one, why did you want to help me with this tonight?
Because I'm bored.
In my last video, I made a reference to the fact that because I went to acting school, I really only have one skill, and it's acting. My training falls more in the, maybe I can make you laugh or cry if you're watching a movie that I'm in or something. As you can see, I don't have any discernible skills according to my sister. According to me, I live a sad life. This video is all about improving skill sets that I think would be helpful for me. I looked up this my mom looked up this website called 24 Life Skills Every Adult Should Master Before Turning 30. The very first skill is accepting feedback gracefully. Hi Fiona, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Guys, this is my friend Fiona. She's very honest, very loyal, and keeps me grounded. And I go to her for many things, so I decided she would be the perfect person to call for helping me with my skills today. So Fiona, I read online that before I turn the age of 30, I need to learn how to accept feedback gracefully. This is something I'm pretty sure I'm already good at, so I'm not too worried about it. But if you could just throw critiques at me about my life in general, that would be sick.
You're really putting me on the spot here.
Nah, you're fine. You got it. I know I'm a pretty awesome person. I get it. But
right,
but there's got to be some things here, you know?
Okay, maybe just like a haircut or something. I mean, you know, just because presentation is a lot of the package. Like, you have the brains, so right. If you just kind of up the presentation, then I think that'll just totally sell you
it's my hair.
10 times better.
My
yeah,
hair.
just like a trim, maybe, or brush it. Maybe would be fine too.
Yeah.
Okay, I promise. This isn't coming from me, but I've heard you're going for comedy in your YouTube stuff, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
For the most part.
For the most part, yeah. For sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe just throw another joke or two in there, make it a little funnier, just so that reads better, you know? Is this helpful?
Mm-hmm. So that was stupid, and the website was a waste of time, and let's do something else. Let's do something else. Welcome to my kitchen for this next segment of the video. I don't plan intros well. So now the skill set that I'm going to improve on is being able to make a caramel macchiato. This is not a caramel macchiato. This is a mocha that I got from Starbucks this morning because I was in a bad mood, and so I wanted Starbucks. Leave me alone. The reason I've decided to make a caramel macchiato is because I asked one of my barista friends what would be somewhat of a complicated, challenging drink, and he said a caramel macchiato because there's layers to it. I don't know what that means, so we're off to a good start. So I looked up this article that says how to make a caramel macchiato as told by a Starbucks barista. Her name is Morgan Nielsen. She went to Florida Atlantic University. And because the article looks legit, I have a feeling it's legit. It says prep time 5 minutes, cook time 0 minutes, total time 5 minutes. So this is supposed to take 5 minutes out of my life to do this. I have a feeling this is a lie. So if this takes me more than 5 minutes, it's not my fault. She lied. I almost bought the caramel sauce in the store that said caramel macchiato, take that baristas. Really aggressively, take that baristas. Kick baristas. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to kick baristas. I'm pro barista. Baristas have been nothing but nice to me. So why would I kick them? I'm gonna go ahead and start my timer, and we're gonna see if this actually takes me 5 minutes. A 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, add vanilla syrup into your cup or glass. How much vanilla syrup do I need? I just add it to the cup that I'm using. I didn't even think about what cup I was gonna use. Morgan, you needed to tell me what cup I was gonna use before this. They gave us cups at prom. I don't know why they gave us cups at prom, it's just a cup. I was originally not gonna use measuring cups and stuff for this, but then my mom told me that I should do that, and I trust my mom with my life. First step, pretty easy. All right, here we go. Step 2, on top of the syrup, pour in the milk of your choice. She used soy milk, but I can use whatever suits my fancy. I'm gonna use the milk that we have, which is 2% milk. Okay, so that's what we're using. This is half a cup of milk.
What's up, y'all? This is Brendan, editing at 1:45 a.m. And how cool would it have been had I decided to show you me actually making the coffee in the moment? That would have been sick, and I really wish past Brendan had thought of this. In fact, I'm not sure why he didn't think of it. I have regrets.
Step 3, add ice. Didn't really say how much ice I needed. Am I recording? I don't even know if I'm recording. 4 to 5 cubes of ice. Morgan, I'm sorry for doubting you. You totally told me how much ice I need. So far, this is what we have. Step 4, this is where it may get tricky, apparently. Starbucks obviously uses shots of espresso pulled from a multi-$1,000 machine that literally no one can buy, but we can make do without. Thanks, Morgan. Your vote of confidence makes me feel better. So I've got this espresso, and it's not grounded, so I'm gonna ground it in the blender.
I won't lie, I've never used this blender before. I'm not even sure I've ever used a blender. Well, you know, we'll just give it. Ah! I wasn't ready for it to just turn on out of nowhere.
Oh, does it?
This is going quite well.
I'm gonna do this next part off camera because our coffee machine kind of doesn't work super great. So it'd just be easier if I did it off camera.
Kind of sounds like I'm peeing. This quarantine is starting to get in my head a little bit. I'm starting to make pee jokes in my videos. I made the coffee.
So Morgan did not even really account for the fact that some people had to make their own coffee.
So is that her fault that I'm now at the 12-minute mark? Not necessarily. I'm still gonna blame her.
Oh, okay, so I don't know that my cup is big enough to handle the shit.
I gotta get a bigger cup. So that's a problem because I think it's supposed to go in a certain way, and I don't know. Shit! I feel so bad now. Okay, so this is what we have right now. Okay, this is the macchiato. This looks just not supposed to look like that at all. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon of caramel sauce. Just drizzle it. I've never drizzled anything before. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. So this is my frappuccino. I don't like caramel that much. This is my, did I say frappuccino? This is my macchiato. It doesn't look at all like the picture looks. I felt like it would be more fun if I put alcohol in it, and tequila is what I have. Just a little bit of tequila in that. It's supposed to be like a layered drink, like the milk. Listen, I f***ed up. Okay, I screwed it up. I wouldn't say I can now make a macchiato on my own. The true test is in the taste. If it tastes good, then I did a good job. This doesn't taste like anything. I've never had a caramel macchiato before. I'm fully certain it's supposed to taste like something. This, though, that took me 16 minutes, Morgan!
That's in London. Do you hear that, Ern? The leaky cauldron, that's in London. The leaky cauldron. Hey, if you have the pea soup, make sure you eat it before it eats you.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. I was just watching Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Does that make me more likable? I don't know. I haven't thought about it. I just know that I'm a big fan of Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. And so, also, I would never lie. I assume you're here because you want to see the next skill that I'm going to learn. It's doing a TikTok dance.
I'm going to learn how to do a TikTok dance now because I want to be a TikTok dancer. I really like the baby rock star, so we're going to learn how to do it now.
I'm just clicking on the first link. It's Aaron Renfrey Creates, the YouTube channel. Am I doing the right one? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's not that hard. In, down, guns. 2, 3.
So there's not much difference in those.
Yeah, 2, 3. Okay, I get it, Aaron. Just come on. Catch. Whoa.
Okay.
Did I whoa right? I've never been able to whoa correctly. Now we're gonna try and make the TikTok. Okay, so let's do that now. Brand new Lamborghini cop car with the pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever heard of? Wait, I didn't. Oh, shit. All the words are wrong. Just go on my TikTok and listen to it. I'm disappointed with how seriously I took that. But I wanted to be a TikTok dancer, and now I am. For the last skill that I want to try and improve on, I'm going to make a beat, like a hip-hop beat, like a sound engineer for a hip-hop artist would make. I don't know anything about making music. I've never written a song. So I got all the essentials that I needed. Headphones, Beats by Dre, a cup of coffee with tequila in it. I have a pee bottle. I can leave the room whenever I want to go pee, but I just felt like if I really wanted to hone in on this shit, I just needed to really just dive in and not leave. I'm going to be using the app Logic Pro X, and I'm going to give myself an hour because I don't want to spend all night doing something that I've never done before. For all-night activities, I just think you should be doing something you're comfortable with. The first time you jump into a new skill or activity, maybe don't do it all night. A lot of dirty jokes just came to my head, and I'm not going to go forward with that. Where the f*** is the pencil tool? I am so lost. Sound engineers, like, I salute you. This sucks. I'm not having a lot of fun. I'll be straight up. You know what? I'm kind of set with what I have. Even though what I have I know is f***ing garbage. This was my first attempt. And if I can put lyrics to it somehow, I'm gonna call it a success. Just on my angel. When I'm in danger, I close my eyes and my shirt becomes stainless. My body is painless, shit is outrageous. Baby, come over, I'll make you the occasion.
I'm sorry you had to witness that.
So that was my beat. It's f***ing terrible. Wow. I'm better at making beats now than I was before. I'm just still garbage at it. I'm gonna just chug my tequila coffee and call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching that. As you can see, I improved on many skills. I am now a barista. I get brand deals from TikTok. I'm a professional sound engineer for rappers like DaBaby. Would you agree about all the things I said?
Yes.
Why are you yelling? Why can't you just... Thank you guys so much for watching. You stuck around this long?
I super appreciate it.
If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button down below, and if you're feeling a little bit generous,
there's a subscribe button
as well.
Because it's just a button.
So why not push it? And
no, it's click it.
Yeah, this is done now. We're done.
See you guys next time.